because it looks kind of gay, I feel like, but then sometimes it does things that seem really straight. But those are also my definitions of those
Correct.
things.
You're forcing the universe into your two categories.
Right.
This world is not what you think it is. This world is not what you think it is.
I am gay. I am my authentic self.
I am a queer woman.
I am a transgender woman.
I am a lesbian.
I am gay and I'm my authentic self.
I'm a parent of a transgender son and I'm very proud of it.
I knew I wanted to be in science ever since I was a little kid. I felt that it was really important to be my most authentic self, especially knowing that this was my dream. Queer people can dream big.
Exploration needs to be for everybody. Every person, every kid, if they can see themselves, the astronauts that we send out in space, but also in the teams that make that possible, then we're doing our job. We're doing incredibly difficult and complicated things. We want people that look at things from a different perspective, that can bring us, new ways of solving problems. And diverse and inclusive teams do that.
If someone is in the closet and they see people like me doing our jobs, being effective at our jobs, I think that is the biggest encouragement that I can give them, is to show I can be my true self and I can do my job. They accept me 100%. We're all together working on this.
Who I am is enough. And when you resonate that kind of pride within yourself and then you exude the love that you have for yourself, before you know it, you've got a tribe of people who are just motivating and uplifting one another. That comes from being your authentic self. There's someone in the world struggling like you who needs to see someone like you to keep going. There's someone who needs an example, and you can be that.
I am non-binary. I am gay. I use they, them. There was one instance where I was participating in a candidate lunch, and they actually also used they, them pronouns. And it just felt really nice to see someone else in the room using those pronouns, and I made sure to introduce myself with my pronouns so that they could know, you're not the only one here. There's someone here who understands you and really just wants the best for you.
It requires some bravery, but take the leap. Just be honest, be yourself. And if you are yourself and they accept you, then you've found what you need. I've learned how to be confident myself, and I've also sort of established myself here. People know me. I get to work with smart and capable people, and our job is to explore outer space and to uncover the mysteries of the solar system as a daily matter. That's what we do each day.
I feel hopeful for the future because of the education that's out there and employee resource groups that NASA has established. I am my true self, in love with my wife, and if we can be ourselves, our mission here at NASA becomes more effective.
We're all different and we should all accept each other for our differences, because that's what makes us special.
It's really important that we can show that visibility is safe, and that you can absolutely be a part of the team and loved and valued for who you are.
It's never too late to be yourself. It's never too late to find your happiness.
No matter what your identity is in the community, that there's going to be a place for you, and there's going to be a place for you to not only just be here, but to succeed and to thrive. I am a queer woman, and I am NASA.
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 Is outer space gay or straight?
Is outer space gay or straight? Practically everything we see and measure in space, not only objects, but temperature, size, density, is on a spectrum. So for you to say, is the universe gay or straight? I'm going to tell you, whatever the universe is, it's on a spectrum.
Okay.
In fact, the very word spectrum comes from what happens when you take light and break it up into its colors. We just happen to assign names to the 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, but it's a continuum. We're just being lazy by assigning 7 colors. Our brain doesn't want to see nuance because it's easier for us to think in binary.
So it's,
are you with me or are you against me? Well, maybe you're somewhere in between. Are you a boy? Are you a girl? Maybe they're expressing themselves somewhere in between. And your brain has a difficult time recognizing a spectrum. And so you're requiring it be into a bin. So there you are, forcing other people to match how you see the world. The world is not going to change to fit your inability to recognize how it's actually manifesting. It's not going to do that. So
it's bi.
No, it's on a continuum.
I'm sorry, I'm allergic to bullshit.
Hi, I'm Nill Belson, your NASA administrator, so check yourself, bitch. 2023 is shaping up to be tremendous here at NASA, but we do need more money. Your donation will make you an immediate 33rd degree Mason, and that means you can wear an apron and hide secrets like we do, and that's really cool. Yes, we do fake everything we show you, but retards believe it, and so we will continue stealing money and presenting you with CGI. But we also will be providing you with an inclusive and a diverse staff. We are never going to stop fondling your imagination and reaching you in your unreachable parts. And we will do it bigger, faster, and harder than ever before. Thanks to the money we steal daily, we're committed to going to the stars in just 8 more years. Remember to buy Bitcoin. Did I mention that aero-arousal technology to probe space is right around the corner? And you should sign up soon. No, not for my secret society, the Book of the Snake. That's a Yale secret, and you're just a crappy citizen, and we here at NASA owe you nothing. Did we mention we could use some more money for our budget? But you too can be a part of the NASA team. Just be African American or female or trans. In fact, you can even identify as gravity, and you're in. Easy peasy. Eat your sugar pops, drink your fluoridated water, and study physics at any university. We know you can't get enough of our Fartimus. Fartimus has never been so engulfing as it is here at NASA. If you're wondering how old I am, the answer is 197. I am so old I fart dust. Or as we say here at the Cape, I fartimus dust. If you're also wondering who told me to lie to you and the world, it was my father Satan. Now the main question on everyone's mind is who should be sent to your anus first? Which African American should plant the anti-white privilege flag on the surface of the moon, which, by the way, we will now color black or rainbow? The moon can no longer be white. Clearly it is a white as a result of the original paternal layout for the white man to inflict harm on his poor black brother. Just ask Lyndon B. Johnson. Also, the moon is being renamed as of today. It is now called the Rock-Hard George Floyd. At NASA, you will learn the health benefits of adrenochrome. You'll learn that we like children and chocolate ice cream. You will also learn about our new spacesuits, which are also black because only black is good. We even added lights on that helmet now as well. Space is good. Neil deGrasse Tyson is good. And many feel Caitlyn Jenner should be black, but we forgive them they and hope them they is first on the moon, followed by Lamar Odom. We bring in currently $70 million a day, and you people aren't happy that we brought you Tang and Velcro, even though Velcro was around before we were. Remember, we found Klingons on your anus. We sent the first all-gay crew past near-Earth orbit. Granted, many of the crew were disgusting, but you don't yell at the sun for being 867,000 miles wide. Here at NASA, you can identify as anything: gay, bisexual, trans, relativity, just not Republican. And I will have you know, we here at NASA really happen to love balls. All we do all day is fondle balls, CGI balls, cartoon balls, and hairy balls. We will welcome this year an intern. His name is Billy. I just had a session with him this morning and asked him all the important NASA questions like, hey Billy, have you ever seen a grown man naked, put on a spacesuit, It is simply breathtaking. I could show you sometime, but you are never going to join NASA, Billy, because you still are into disgusting heterosexual things, which really are racist, and you don't want to be a bigot, Billy. Be like NASA. Be hella gay and most likely confused about your gender. Don't just lick the globe deep-throat it. Inch by inch, you'll get there, Billy. Come float through infinite darkness with us, where you can and can't see stars, where we lost that technology and it's a painful process to listen to the retard Don Petit. He was selected from over 4,000 applicants. 3,999 of them were dead. But that's okay, because Don Petit always reminds us of the Magellanic Clouds and boofing cosmic stardust. Artemis 2.0 will be the size of 33 school buses and 2 flamingos. When we are done colonizing the moon in 2023, our next mission will be to a large black hole near your anus. Rumor has it smells like shit there. But you will probably have COVID, so you won't have a sense of smell. By the way, we here at NASA require only 1 booster for every meal you have eaten in the past 6 months. Here at NASA, we've been popping phallic since the early 60s, and I need to take a nap soon, as again I am as old as the hills. So, hold on to your hats as we spin 1,000 miles per hour and fly around the sun at 66,666.666 miles per hour. Oh, I forgot to mention our speed around the sun is 66,666.666 miles per hour. Thanks for your money and sorry about all the lies. Here's to NASA, to diversity and beyond.
I wonder if you would recommend locking down schools if you had to do it all over again.
You're okay. You're not gonna get COVID if you have these vaccinations.
First of all, I didn't recommend locking anything down.
Vaccinated people do not get sick.
I recommended to the president that we shut the country down.
Night consuming level plane, missing curves, space escape, Boston bombing false flag, Joe Biden torpedo. Dr. Fauci always lying, Stevie Wonder is a blind, fake career, we shall see it down the rabbit hole. Bilderberg's fake bomb, Mike Obama, huge down bar, at the Kenyan guy has your wife identified. Warp speed vaccine, J&J, ultra genes, might go. Kiss your sweet ass goodbye.
Why do you trust these liars? You must be discerning, cause the world's not turning. No more astronauts on wires. This world is making you know it, now it's time we expose it.
Health Department, NSA, CDC and TSA, IRS, CIA, and NASA is a crock. SpaceX, Space Force, space is clearly fake, of course. Devon Island is Mars, Elon Musk is launching cars. Einstein was a queen, 2 more weeks of quarantine. Jussie Smollett, fake attack. George Floyd, swallowed crack. Said he couldn't breathe at all, overdosed on fentanyl. AOC and Alex Stein, my big booty is so far.
Why do you trust these liars? You must be discerning, cause the world's not turning. No more astronauts on wires. We are sick of these clowns, let's get the circus shut down.
Bin Laden in the city, Robbie Parker smiling. Epstein didn't die, flight logs are classified. California communist, you certain tops the list. Mask your kids, stay inside, for your health formaldehyde. You own the feed bugs, World Economic Thugs, Klaus Schwab, Castro, his son Justin Trudeau. Psychos, the elite, Bill Gates and tracking me. Biotech, Moderna, Pfizer, AstraZeneca.
Why do you trust these liars? You must be discerning, cause the world's not turning. No more astronauts on wires. This world is making you know it, now it's time we expose it.
9/11, no planes, another drill, another day. Building 7 falling from the plane they're calling. Nanofilm by concrete, passport found in the street. And Lucky Larry Silverstein, molded like a slot machine. Shanks spill, red pill, Rumsfeld, this out, that's what hit the Pentagon. Where is all the footage gone?
Why do you trust these liars? world's not turning, no more astronauts on wires. We are sick of these clowns, let's get the circus shut down.
Climate change, MSN, selling fear on CNN, moonshot, space war, Alfred Dalton. All the astronauts who died have a twin still alive. Challenger, master plan, Buzz Aldrin is drunk again. We have moon rocks, petrified. That sucks. Yeah, they lie. But rockets fly. CGI. Planets no. CGI. The ISS. RBS. It's Earth flat. Actually, yes. Not dinosaurs. Yes, of course. I can't take it anymore.
Why would you trust these liars? It may be concerning, NASA building is burning. Maybe carbon copies liars. They deserve a takedown for saying we go around, 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 around. Why do we trust these liars? You must be discerning, cause the world's not turning. No more astronauts or wires. This world is waking, you know. Now it's time we expose it. Why do you trust these liars? You must be discerning, cause the world's not turning. No more astronauts or wires. This world is waking, you know. Now it's time we expose it.
Greatest possible distance we can conceive, the outer limits of our imagination, is just the beginning. That's why the stars are just fireflies stuck up on that bluish black thing. What did I just say?
I know you're out there. I can feel you now. I know that you're afraid. You're afraid of us. You're afraid of change. I don't know the future. I didn't come here to tell you how this is going to end. I came here to tell you how it's going to begin.